create. Louisiana style gumbo. More for a Cajun because I don't have tomatoes here. And this is like super gumbo because it's in addition to the chicken, shrimp, and sausages, I'm going to add some crawfish to it. Everything homemade, okay? So I have a pan, some oil, doesn't matter what type, medium, high. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast too. Make sure you skin them. Going to give them some character. You're not frying them, you're just cooking them a little bit. Maybe a couple minutes in each side. 2 or 3 minutes. Couple minutes on one side, ready to do the other side too. But I'm going to add some of my andouille sausages, Louisiana style sausage. These one are pork, by the way. Give them some character too. I put this a couple notches about medium, by the way. Let me add the shrimp too. Just give it some character. That's about 3-4 minutes, okay? Overall. So I get a relatively large pot now. I have a cup of oil, doesn't matter what type of oil, okay? You're going to get this baby to heat. A cup. And the reason you have a cup is because you have a cup and a quarter of flour. Cup and a quarter of flour. And what you're going to do, you're going to add the flour slowly. You're going to sprinkle it around. Slowly. 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 This is going to take a lot of love, okay? Slowly. Let me reduce this to medium. Slowly. You don't want this fry, okay? So you have to move it. Get those pockets broken down. And this is going to take a few minutes, you know, maybe about 10-15 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. Because I have an electric stove. You have to do this until you get that kind of dark color. And this is called the roux. Louisiana, they call it the roux. And this roux, what it does is going to thicken the super gumbo or the gumbo. It's going to thicken it, okay? That's the purpose of the roux. Plus, it's going to give it some nice looking color too, by the way. So, invest some time in this. You can listen to some music, do whatever. But you have to be checking this baby. Stir this baby. Okay? Break it down and stir. So actually it took me 10 minutes. I could have probably gone a little bit longer, but look at this color. See, like chocolate color. The Trinity, which is kind of a Creole or Cajun type sofrito, which consists of onions, celery, and green bell pepper, same amount, of about 1/4 cup of each. So I'm going to add it to here. I'm going to get this baby going. Mixing, mixing. Oh, smells good. Going to add some garlic. I have about 5 teeth of garlic that chopped. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to add the chicken, which I cut into pieces. Mix everything up. And I'm going to add the sausage and the shrimp, okay? Mixing everything up. Let's add some of the crawfish, which by the way, they're already cooked. I'm just adding the flavors. Getting everything mixed. I'm going to get, you can get some water. You can get some water, but I'm going to go with some seafood stock, okay? I have about 3, maybe 4 cups here. Mix it up. Make sure the thicknesses and stuff or the raw mix. See how dark and nice looking color. Let's get this to medium high. Before anything else, let me get my Louisiana style homemade spices. Let me mix them. Add them there. If you think that's too thick, just add a little bit more water or stock. Get that flavor. I have some okra, which I'm going to add. Okra also help with the thickness. Some okra, the African touch. See how nice and thick? Oh my goodness. Let me let it go for about 20 minutes first, okay? Couple notches above medium, I'm going to cover it. About 12 minutes into it, I reduce the heat to medium low. Move it a little bit because I don't want the roux to stick at the bottom. But you see this baby is cooking very nicely. Let me let it go for another 8 minutes. Over again. 20 minutes later, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah.